Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to the garden. Looks like the summer is here finally, so it's high time to protect the soft fruits, the currants, gooseberries, all this stuff. So let's see what we can do about it. I am gonna use the net that I was using to protect the strawberries, which are finished by now, so we can reuse the net to protect the currants and gooseberries. Looks like the summer finally arrived, so it's time to protect the soft fruits. The red currants, black currants and gooseberries mainly. Otherwise the bird's gonna have everything before they are ready. So let's have a look. I have my fruit bushes spread all over the flower borders. As you can see, if you can see, they look very much like any other plants. That's the red currants, I think. Some more red currants here. This one is not fruiting much. I think I pruned it too much this winter, but that's the old bush. It needed pruning desperately. Here are some gooseberries. Yeah, I have them dotted all around the place. Some red currants, more black currants hiding here. And it goes. First of all, I need to clear some space around each bush. So keep in mind what you're planting around the bushes if you want to grow them this way, because all these plants around the fruit bush need to go now. So what I want to do is to wrap the net around the plant. Couldn't be easier. Those things are really handy when you're doing jobs like that. When you're netting your plants, just make sure the net goes all the way to the soil, so the birds can't crawl underneath, because if you leave any gaps, trust me, they will find the way. Okay, let me continue with all the other bushes. Seems like all the neighbors realize it's summer, so everyone is gardening. I hope the lawnmower are not disturbing us too much. See you in a bit. So that's how it looks like. Maybe it's not the prettiest thing, but it works. I think it's much better than a huge fruit cage sitting somewhere all year round. This net's gonna stay here probably for 2-3 weeks, and then I can take it off.